ndị ọma na-ege m ntị egbukwa na mbata n'ụbọchị nke taata biko okwu a nji ebe dị oke mkpa chọọ m ikwu ogologo okwu na maka na bụ okwu ekwukatị ọ na-egbuzi oge. Biko nwere ihe anyị chọrọ ikwu. Adọwaghị ndị eze nwaanyị aka na ntị, ma ndị na-eje awụfu mmiri na ndị na-eje awụ fanta na koku na bred ma biya na gịna na-achụ aja na mmiri. Adọwaghị unu aka na ntị si hapụla anyị mmiri agha aka na unu emebichia na mmiri na-ede n'ala Igbo anyị. Ibe ha na moto na-asị isi ugwu Hausa na East, iru ha na-akwa nga mmiri niile dị ebe ahụ aja ka eji ya chiri ihe afụgide aja achụrụ na mmiri chiri ilue head bridge isi Lagos na-agbadata ineluwa ha na Kerafiano ugboro afọ. Mmiri niile dị ebe ahụ achụgide gị aja tee ilu ana Igbo anyị agbapụrụ na agbapụrụ ọsọsọ nwere ma were ihe mmiri onye pụtazi yigide ala tegide bleaching cream zugide oshi n'ọpụ iwe ka ọ dịghị ya mma, ọ chọọ akwa white kechie, chọọ nke red kechie, bido mewa agwụ. Onye weta ntụ egbe eji agba mkpọ n'ala ofe ya ma onye ọkụ mesuzu etinyere ibobo nke aha iwube bụkwa na ọ na-eme. Biko nenenu vidiyo kwa unu fụ ihe nwatakịrị akwụ maka ndị na-eje edisekreti mmiri anyị si na ha na-agwọ na ha na-achụ nke achụ nta achụ imo. Nenenu vidiyo kwa unu fụ.
Please, why do you keep dating the waters in the name of water sacrifice? The water god and goddesses does not like anything that is dirty. These are the reasons why most of your water works are not going, because you go to the water, you carry plastics. You see, you carry plastics, you throw it in the water in the name of water sacrifice. Slippers, you throw it inside the water in the name of water sacrifice. Who told you that the water goddesses love this kind of stuff for sacrifice? They will even throw as much as this, they will throw it inside the water. Please, you guys should stop doing this. Stop doing it. It is unhealthy. It is unhealthy to humans and to spirits. Even to the goddesses, it is very, very unhealthy for you to throw all this kind of stuff inside the water in the name of sacrifice. The water goddesses they don't need much from you. They don't need much from you. Even if you go to the water just without nothing, you just go there, you go there to pray, they are going to answer your prayers. The most important thing is the sincerity of your heart. The most important thing is the sincerity of your heart. I don't understand why people will go to the water. They will carry all sorts of things. They will even carry as much as they will even carry these stuff. They will take cars. They will take phones. So if you don't throw phones and cars and flights inside the water, they will not answer you. Does that mean that they will not answer you? Please, you guys should just grow up. You guys should just stop doing all this kind of stuff. The kind of impression people are giving, the kind of narrative people are giving, making people to have about spirituality and tradition is very, very awful. It's irritating. Stop doing those stuff. Stop doing it. The water god and goddesses doesn't need all this kind of stuff from you for them to answer your prayers. If you go to the water, you go there with even if you go with, let me just say banana, and then you go with sugar, you go with honey, you just pray, they will still answer your prayers. If you want to go to the water, you don't need much. The water god and goddesses, the water spirits, they are more attracted to smell. They are more attracted to smell than plastics, than slippers. They are more attracted to smells because they love beautiful smells. They love nice ornaments, all those kind of oils, special perfumes. This is what is going to arouse is going to bring up their spirit to rise. Not plastics. Please, you people should stop doing this. It is unhealthy. I try to keep quiet, but each time I go to the water to pray, I see some kind of irritating things. You know, how people will just litter everywhere with plastics, with so many deaths. and they feel like, oh, the gods and the goddesses are answering them because of what they're giving to the water. No, they are not going to answer you. That is the reason why they don't answer you. That is the reason why they don't answer you, because you are dirtying their home. You need to keep the water environment clean. It is unhealthy to throw all those things inside the water. It is unhealthy to humans. It is unhealthy to spirits. Stop doing it in the name of water work. It doesn't make you much more unique than other ones when you are throwing all those things. Stop doing it in the name of tradition. I don't know how people get this, that our forefathers taught us to be throwing all this kind of stuff inside the water. No, our ancestors does not approve of all this kind of stuff. Try to keep the water environment neat. I don't mean to insult or to offend anyone, but I'm just trying to talk to you guys. You people should stop it. The more you do that, the more your sacrifice is not going to be answered. I don't even know how we are going to know the true goddesses, because people just say, oh, they are from water, they are from water, they are from water, when they don't even understand what the water spirit wants from them. You just say, oh, I'm from water, and then you are just dating everywhere. How do you feel doing those stuff? How? You will take people to the water, and then you will carry all sorts of things. You will carry all sorts of things in the name of Igbo Miri. When you go on trance, you Ezenwanyis and some of those native doctors that are doing water stuff, do you even go on trance? I'm asking you, do you go on trance? Do you go on trance? Do you ever go on trance? When you go on trance, what do you normally see? Do you see that the water world, like when you go there, do you see that they like anything that is dirty? That place is very beautiful. You will see buildings built with castles, built with diamonds and golds. They don't like anything dirty. They are attracted. The water spirits, the water gods and goddesses, they are attracted with smells. They like beautiful smells. When you burn powerful incense and powerful oils and perfumes, you make their spirit to rise. You summon them with incense, powerful incense. You summon them with powerful oils and perfumes. When you go to water to pray, you summon them with all those kind of things. With those smells, they will arise and they will come and hear what you have for them. They don't need much from you. Please, they don't need much from you. The way you people are just changing the narrative in the name of tradition is making me to just feel it's just so unhealthy. It's just so unfair. Let's just take it easy. The most important thing is your heart. Is the sincerity of your heart. That is what is most important. Even when you have nothing, but for the fact that you want to go to the water to pray and you do not have anything, if you just go there without nothing, you just pray, they will see your heart and they are going to answer your prayers. They don't need much from you. They just love you the way you come. If you just recognize them and come to them, pray to them, just the same way you pray to our Creator, to God. That is the same way you pray to the water spirits, the water gods and goddesses. You pray to them. They are going to answer your prayers. And then if you have something you can go with, if you really want to go with some things, you can go with maybe some kind of fruits. But you have to cut it. You have to peel them. Because when you throw them inside the water, it can be dissolved. You can go with some fruits that are very, very sweet. You can go with banana, you can go with sugar, you can go with honey. And if as much as you want to go with Fanta, make sure that you don't throw the plastic inside the water. You can just pour the Fanta inside the water. Don't throw the plastic inside the water. It is very, very unhealthy. They do not love all those kind of unnecessary deaths. Do you litter your own house? When you live in your house, do you litter your own house with plastics and deaths? Do you litter your own house with plastic and death? You don't do that. So it is very, very important to keep the water environment clean. Keep it clean, keep it neat, so that all your requests, all your prayers can be answered. Okay? Okay, I don't mean to offend anyone. Okay, don't take it so personal. I'm just trying to talk to everyone generally, because the amount of deaths, the amount of uncleanliness I see in the water is very, very irritating. In the name of water sacrifice, it's irritating. Let us keep the water environment pure. The water spirits, they love purity. They are very sacred. They love everything that is very beautiful. They love something that is very beautiful, that is very neat. They don't like all those kind of smells that are smelling very, very rotten. They want to have beautiful smells. If you want to bring the water spirit to come out, you have to use powerful incense. You have to use powerful oils and perfumes. And you're going to see how your prayers will be answered. Okay? Try to do things this year. Try to do some sacrifice. Do it differently. Why keeping the water environment? Keep it neat. Stop throwing those kind of things inside the water. Okay? Okay? Ale, take care, and don't forget I love you so much. My name is Chikalan, your ancient goddess. I'm not an Ezenwanyi. I am a spiritualist, and I'm a goddess. Okay? I'm a goddess, so take care of yourself and learn to keep the water environment. Keep the water clean. Keep it pure. It is very, very unhealthy to throw plastics inside the water. It is dirty. It is very, very unhealthy. Stop doing it. Okay? I love you all.
Obi Igbo, eji m n'aka unu na-eche na vidio biko ebe onye na-anụ unu ma asị m udo dịrị onye ọbụla, ndụ nwoke ndụ azụ. Biko ebe ị na-ene vidio nekwala ya ka like ya this post, comment ya ma drop kwa na your notification mgbe ọbụla upload a very new video. Ka ọ dị mgbe ọzọ.